Hi, my lovely friends. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable graphics optimization for games in Windows 11. So for this case, we have to go to the search. Here we have to click the settings options. Here the systems we will click. So we will go to the below side. There we got display, and in below we'll find the graphics sites. So here we will click for the change default graphics settings. Click here. We will find the optimization for Windows game. So reduce latency and use advanced features in compatible games by using flip presentation model. You will need to restart for your game change to take effect. So here we'll off. By default has we will on. So there, uh, after completing these things, we will restart our PC. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.